Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today we will learn and write 10 lines speech on Teachers' Day. Number 1. Good morning everyone. Number 2. My name is Amber. Number 3. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Number 4. It is celebrated on 5th September every year. Number 5. This day is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Number 6. Teachers are our guides and friends. Number 7. They show us the right path in life. Number 8. We should always respect our teachers. Number 9. I thank all my teachers for their support. Number 10. Happy Teachers' Day to everyone. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.